Okay, so we are going to get started. This is what came in the box. So you have the wig. I'll put all the wig details down below. It's medium-sized cap, 180% density, 22 inches long. And I love that the brand included all of these extras. So you have your hair tie, you have your wig caps, you have your edge controller brush, and the wig comes packaged really well. Girl, look at that lace. Oh my God, oh my God. I am so excited for y'all to see this wig on. And as you can see, it even came pre-curled, y'all. Like, I am pretty impressed so far with these first impressions. Okay, y'all, really quick. First impressions of the hair. It doesn't have a funny smell. It's really soft. I love the curls that this came with. And can we just get, I'll put a cap on, but can we just get into the lace? Y'all, the way that they plucked this hairline is impeccable. That the lace is pre-bleached. The fact that it's plucked so well, like they did a good job of starting in the front and then moving all the way back. They already laid the hair down. It's pre-parted, which is really nice. And I just can't get over the knots. The knots have been bleached so well, y'all. It is a beginner-friendly wig. You would just have to cut the lace and go. But I'm about to really do her up. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my wig. I'm going to let it air dry, and I will be back tomorrow for the full install. So as I mentioned, I did go ahead and wash this wig, and now I'm just doing a simple blow dryer because this wig is thick, honestly. So most of the hair was blow dried, but the actual roots weren't. But look at the body of this wig. Look at the color, look at the sheen. I think it's a gorgeous unit. What I'm going to go ahead and do next is spray inside of the cap of the wig. The reason why I'm spraying it is because I am not sure how this lace is going to look against my skin. So this is some wig spray that I got from the store. The color is like a caramel color. I actually could have went lighter, but this is something that once you wash the wig, it does come right off. But can you see the difference between the non-treated and the treated wig? All right, but this is what the lace looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Hey dolls, okay, we are back. I am going to go ahead and do or attempt the ball cap method. You guys know I am not a professional at doing hair. That's why I do these videos, because I think my hair slays, and I know you can slay your hair at home. So again, we are going to be using the Yolissa wig. I already have it washed, prepped. We're going to curl it and install it now. We're going to use this wig spray to go ahead and secure the ball cap, and then we're going to get going. So I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair down. I'm not going to do a whole lot. I really want to keep this beginner friendly, and I'm just brushing back my baby hair with the same spray just to kind of get it out the way, because I know the wig is going to be laying right in front of my baby hair. I'm going to go ahead and pre-cut with the scissors and then take my time, and using an eyebrow cutter, I'm going to go ahead and take off the pieces of this wig cap. Now, as you can see, I'm cutting my ear tabs. This is really hard for me, but I just took my time because you can cut off more, but once you cut off too much, you can't go back. So do not rush this part. This is probably the hardest part for me, but as you can see, I made it work, girl. And now, because this wig is kind of big for my head, but the small wig is normally too small. So as you can see, I do have extra hair. I didn't want the wig to come all the way down on my eyebrows. So you just got to take your time again, make these jagged cuts. Do not go straight across. It will not look natural. Okay, so that's the biggest thing I can say, is not to cut your lace straight across. And now you just saw me use that Ebon spray, which, y'all, that spray sets really fast. It gets tacky really fast, so you have to work fast with it. I didn't realize this, As you can see, I'm using a little bit of warm water and a towel to kind of get off the residue because it dried so fast and it made like a white residue. Anything you do with the spray, you can rinse it with hot water and it comes right off. And now I'm just using that comb to kind of melt a little bit of that wax stick so I can get a nice flat top. And from here, I'm going to throw in a couple of curls just to get a little bit of body into the wig. And yeah, girl, let's see what she's looking like. Like, oh my god, do y'all see this wig? I am slaying. Okay, this is the definition of gorgeous baddie. Just, I'm serving all the Beyonce. Like, I love this wig color. I think it's perfect for fall. And yeah, let me give you all the deets. Y'all, I love this wig. Like, look how pretty she is, y'all. I don't know why I'm like this. Let me know if y'all like this. Whenever the season change, I feel like my hair needs to change, okay? So, of course, we had to do some of these warm tones. We got the blondes. We got the browns. We got a little bit of black throughout. Like, this color is everything. So, if you are not sure if you can do a blonde wig, do something like this because these colors marry together and they will look good on any skin tone. Girl. This is a full lace. It has 4 inches. I can part back or I can do a side part. I can pull her to the front and to the side. So I love that option. I can see what I mean. You could really do her any way. I can put a part on the side, on this side. I had it in the middle. And also, again, I do recommend this unit. I love this wig. You can see how it was plucked really well. So that's a plus. I love the fact that the knots were already bleached. I love the fact that it even came curled. If I had an event or something to do and I didn't have time to actually wash it, let it air dry, style it and all of that, I could have just wore that wig straight out the box. You guys seen it. You saw how pretty it was out the box. So I love they pre-cut it, they pre-style it. All you gotta do is cut that lace and go, honey. Like, that's it. The hair came extremely fast. I got it in like 4 days via DHL. It came fast. It didn't have a smell. I mean, I so far do really like this wig. Like, I really feel this is a good transition from summer hair to fall hair. It has lots of different blonde tones. The texture feels really good. I like a lot of body. I like a lot of thickness. It has nice weight to it. As you guys can see, the curls took really well. I only put around 8 curls, like 4 on each side, and I like how it has that pretty body weight texture. You can definitely wear it straight. I'm gonna put some crimps in it later on. Of course, I'm gonna put the link down below and any coupon codes that I can find. And yeah, if y'all got any tips on how I can do my install next, let me know. Your girl is always learning and I'm here to help teach you. So that's it, y'all. Again, if you don't follow my social medias, like my Instagram, which is at @ChrissyTheDoll_official, or my TikTok at ChrisTheDoll, be sure to do that. I also will put the links to all of my other channels down below and let me know what you think. How did I do on the install? That is it. Again, I want to thank you for all of your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce. Bye.